Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I have a review for you of a few items from Born Pretty store. The first one being the stainless steel Chameleon pair of scissors that I have right here, and you can see very cute packaging right there. And this is, yes, I've been wanting to continue my collection of Chameleon items such as the cuticle pushers. I also have some nippers and other things, but here's the scissors, very sharp, very pretty. I just love this. I really love this Chameleon finish. I even have a mug. Okay, and now here it has, I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but you can tell there's something engraved there. So it is engraved with Born Pretty store brand right there. And these are straight, so these are, as you can see, these are more ideal for cutting. Some people may use them for cutting eyebrows, paper, but they are sharp. They're not curved, so I wouldn't say, you know, for those, they're not like the Russian scissors for cutting cuticles. These are just straight and very pointy. And here we can give it just a quick test and see how sharp they are. But yes, brand new. And then just keep in mind that if you use them for cutting paper versus cutting, you know, such as your eyebrows, you might want to dedicate them for one thing or the other. So here they are. I mean, just another thing that you can add to your collection in the Chameleon finish. I just love this finish. This is the packaging, and I will have the link down in the description bar below. I also have a 10% discount, which is ID UK31. I will scroll it at the bottom of the screen as well as put it down in the description bar. The other items that I have to review for you are these 3 Nicole Diaries stamping plates. And I have, this is the Nicole Diary. They did come with a protective blue film, but because I've already used them, I went ahead and removed it. And as you can see on the back, they have the Nicole Diary logo paper on the back. This one is 156, Nicole Diary 156. Let me see if I can show you up close so you can see the images. So this one resembles the spider web designs. If you use a spider web gel, and then there's some flowers in there, so very whimsical and abstract designs that you can do with this. I do like that. And this one is Nicole Diary 166, where you can do some French tips and some other, well, yeah, I don't know what you will call this, but yeah, so very organic designs here with these type of, so you don't have to, if someone gives you the designs that you would create using striping tape, for example, and if you're not very good at creating straight lines for this, I've always wanted to have a design with this right here, something like that. And you will see, I will have pictures at the end with the designs that I came up with each one of these. And then this one, probably my favorite of the 3, this one is 164. So there you go, very minimalistic, abstract designs there. Very cool. And I have the design that I did out of the 3 with it. This was my favorite design, and you will see that at the end as well. So what I'm going to do, before I jump into the swatches, I will let you know about my experience. So this is a review. My experience with these 3 stamping plates. So this one, as you can see, it has very fine lines. And I will tell you, I did run into some difficulties picking up the entire design without anything breaking up. So this is going to be a play that is going to be hard for beginners to use, because there is going to be a lot of variables. You might have to experiment with your stamper, whether you want a very sticky stamper, your polish, the polish that you use, make sure it's not thick and sticky. You probably want to use a brand new, very good stamping polish for these images to stamp really well. Same thing, I run into the same thing with these. These are very fine. So yeah, with any images that are like this, very fine, there could be a lot of trial and error. So just keep that in mind, especially if you're brand new, you might get frustrated with that. This one, the challenge was with these, and you will see it in action. So there's a lot of it's like, with these areas right here, depending on which direction you scrape, whether you scrape, you know, horizontally or vertically, you might end up, if you press on your scraper too far down, you might end up removing too much of the polish from the image and not be able to stamp it. So you'll see. And then so what I ended up doing was filling in the space that was missing with the polish. I was mostly concerned about this area right here. Yeah, getting that straight on my nail. If any of this part was missing, as you can see from the plate, this would go as a solid color on the nail, and then I went ahead and filled it in. So you're going to see me do swatches on these, so you'll know understand what I'm talking about there. And then I will leave you at the end with some designs on my nails that I did, so leave you with some inspiration on those. If you guys have any questions on this, please let me know, and I'll be happy to address them. Now I will go ahead and leave you with the rest of the review. So there you guys have it. Don't forget that I do have a 10% discount as ID UK31 if you're interested in any of these items, and I will have them listed below. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.